We will go to the question answer of our cash loans chapter. Very small, very small. Just tell me, question answers of cash loans chapter are starting on what page number? Question are starting on page number exempt income. Page number exempt income. That is page number 10. Who is volunteering, please? No one. Take your time. I am in no hurry. So you will get it whenever you will get it, then you volunteer. As of now, no. No one, no. You can take your time, aram se. You take after 5 minutes, decide who is volunteering. Then I will start questions. No problem. हाँ, better. बोला 10 बजे के पहले जब when you say this, no, then automatically efficiency will come. So question number 1 on page number 10. Please read. So, if you remember when I started the chapter, I must have definitely told you this, that this is something that as a tax auditor, you have to report in your audit report. Now, generally in CA final, they don't ask audit report clauses, but once in a while, many years ago, they asked once. So, as an auditor, you have to report that the assessee has taken during the year what loans, from which people. Remember, you have to report only the loans taken. You don't have to report the loans given. Now, you know the reason, no? Loans taken. You have to give the balances. You have to give any amount squared off during the year. Squared off means any amount that you have repaid during the year, because with which the AO will be able to identify if there is any violation of 269T also. Squared off amount. And you have to give something called maximum outstanding balance. Sir, what is maximum outstanding balance? Supposingly April 1, the loan was 5,000 and 31st March also the loan was 5,000. So with this we cannot identify. It is possible during the year we took the loan and repaid in a few days. If at any stage during the year the balance has touched 20,000, then we have to check compliance of 269SS and 269T. So all the loans taken by the assessee have to be reported in the tax audit report with these particulars. Okay. Question number 2, please.
Discuss the scope of the restriction relating to acceptance of loans and deposits and repayments, therefore, in cash, bringing down the restrictions to the relevant provisions.
Or may I put it this way, question 2 is basically write a short note on the entire chapter. 269SS, 269T, all the provisions you will have to, in as short as possible, you can write them. Next, please.
Question 8. State the rates with an objective conformity to the provisions of section 269 SS and 269 API.
Legislative objective English. Why was section 269 SS enacted? In exam you don't write. In exam you don't write that assessee was saying 5 minutes ago loan. 5 minutes was only to make you understand what is happening. Okay. In exam you will obviously say assessee was escaping levy of tax, interest and penalty by giving the argument of loan, and consequently the mode was restricted by incorporating the provision. Understood? Very good. Next, last question.
An assessee had credited a sum of 50,000 in cash to the account of Mumbai, said to represent a loan obtained from the assessing officer having gone into the genuine business transaction. This brings the story of loan and treated this sum of 50,000 as the income of the assessee from undisclosed sources. He also started proceedings under section 270 and he made a penalty of 50,000 of the assessee for having accepted the loan with contravention of section 269 SS. Examine the correctness of the debt.
Is the AO right in doing this? Can the AO levy both? Can the AO levy loan penalty and still call it a concealed income? The AO can either call it concealment or the AO can levy loan penalty. He can never levy both of them. No cumulative penalty here also. Understood? Alright. With this, we complete our chapter cash loans. Thank you very much.